Hey, this is Kent here at Asian Garden at Table. We've had some questions about how to make the raised bed garden that we've been working on, and specifically how to build the posts that we're using, and why we chose the materials that we did, and how we decided to construct it that way. So we're going to go into a little detail today on how we made those posts.
Yeah. Glasses and my earplugs. Gloves.
大家好，欢迎回来。这几天兔爸爸露了2次脸，没想到吸粉不少呀。我把大家的留言翻译给他，可把他乐坏了。这个频道是不是要改名了？叫种菜的兔爸兔妈？大家说呢？今天这个视频呢，是兔爸爸的专场，先鼓励一下，给他点个赞吧。
So we wanted to create a space for the boards that we use on the side to sit in between the two larger boards here and allow the boards to move in and out and up and down as the boards expand and contract. So we chose to use 2x6s and 2x8s in places to create a layered effect of the boards. So we have an inside and outside, and then a spacer board in the middle that also acts as a backstop at the bottom for the boards that are going to rest in here. And we cut the top boards at an angle so that the water, rain as it comes down, can run off of it. Doesn't sit flat on the surface, and so the surface is less likely to get rotten.
前面大家也看到了，我们的菜床是用柱子把木板撑着围起来的。这个柱子必须牢固稳当，以后还会在这个柱子的基础上搭建拔藤蔬菜的架子。所以说，这是我们菜园设计中的关键结构。兔爸爸充分地利用了他的专业知识和动手能力，用我们这里常见的原料和工具做了这个柱子。我们用的木料是经过防腐处理的，在菜地里用个几年没有问题。木料的好处就是可以根据需要切割、打孔、组装，也不会太重，我们2个人都可以搬得动。另外价格也比砖头便宜很多。我们看到大家在留言里给了一些菜床用料和设计的建议，在这里谢谢你们。不过我们的设计是经过深思熟虑的，考虑了这里的地势、气候和菜园的美观和功能，所以目前不会随意改变这个设计。还有就是我们种菜不是为了卖菜，投入了这么多时间、精力和资金，靠卖菜的话肯定是亏本的。想知道我们建这个菜园干什么用的吗？点击订阅我们的频道吧，以后慢慢告诉你们。
Oh, this is the center part of the corner post.
Okay.
That's a hole. Dad just drilled the hole.
Oh.
You like it? How do we put them together?
I don't know.
You don't know? So we got 3 pieces. We got the solid one on the outside. We got the one shaped like an L in the middle, and the one shaped like a fork on the inside. So we glue the middle piece here to give it a little extra strength in the thinnest section. What are you doing before? Watch your fingers. We use washers and nuts. Can I have a nut?
This nut?
That nut, yeah, that's right. Thank you. We use that to tighten it together. Can I have another washer and another nut? Thank you. Hunter.
What?
I love you.
Happy too.
Hunter.
What?
I love you.
Happy too. Yeah, Papa.
Thank you, Bubba. So today we're working on putting together the corner posts for the rest of the raised bed gardens. And as you can see, these corner posts are about 4 feet tall, made out of 2x6 by 8 foot long, and we've cut them into 3 pieces and assembled them together with carriage bolts, galvanized carriage bolts. That gives us a nice sturdy corner for the upright boards that go down the sides. And to make these, as I said, we're using 3 pieces, and we cut the 3 pieces and layer them together. So we have the outside board, which is just the half of the 2x6 by 8. And we have the middle board, which is also half of a 2x6 by 8. We've cut this into an L shape. That goes in the middle. And then the inside board that we've cut a slot in to support the board that's going the other direction. And these get layered together like this. As you can see, and this way we have a slot for the boards coming in one direction. And to turn it this way, we have a slot for the boards coming in the other direction. And we hold that all together with... Hunter, can I have the bolt? Hunter? Can I have a... Oh, there he is. I got the ratchet. The carriage bolt. There we go. Thank you. Yeah. So we use a carriage bolt that goes through the 3 layers. So in the corner post, we've got 2, 4, 6 carriage bolts that hold the whole thing together. And that PVC pipe, that's what is going to support the trellis system that's going to go above the raised beds. So you see, it's a fairly simple construction. It does take a little bit of work on the saw to make the long cuts, but once you're set up to do it, it actually goes pretty quickly. So that's what we've been working on today. We'll get back with more details on how the poles are built. I'll put out some plans.
At the end of this project, I will also combine all the shots and make into a tutorial video if you're interested to make exactly the same design. And Kent will also make the drawing, including all the dimensions. Hopefully it's useful for you. This is all for today's video. If you like our video, please give us a thumb up, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to buy some seed, you can visit our website at asiangardentoday.com to purchase vegetable seed and very good quality cast iron wok. Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you very much for watching.
We will see you next time, very soon.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
See?